guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I figured I would do a fall Dollar Tree haul because they have so much cute stuff, and you guys know fall is pretty much like right around the corner. I want to say it's the 22nd of this month, so I am definitely gearing up to switch my house over from my spring and summer decor to my fall decor. I pretty much keep mine up until like right before December starts. So yes, I did get a few things. I didn't want to go too crazy because I already have like fall decor already from like last year and the year before, but I wanted to get a few new pieces to kind of like add to my, you know, my little collection. So starting off, I did pick up these two glasses. One is red, one is like an orange color, and I want to say they had a green, if I'm not mistaken, too, but I just kind of figured it would be really cute to put like in my living room or maybe even like on my dining room table. You can add some candles in here. So I did get two of the red one. So here is what this one looked like, and then I also got two of the orange one. So I cannot wait to actually just kind of play with these and see how it turned out. I kind of have like a slight vision in my head, but I will utilize Pinterest also because I love to get like some inspiration going. So I did pick those two up, and then I saw these like leaves that you can use for like the table, or you can use in like brown baskets or like just different things like that. And I picked up the burgundy color. It's going to be the Burlap Leaves, and it's 5 pieces in here. So I did pick up the burgundy one, and then I also picked up the orange one. Pretty much like your traditional colors. And I have seen like a lot of like blues I guess come into play in terms of like Thanksgiving colors. I think if I incorporate the blue, it might be like maybe like a pumpkin in like the boys' bathroom or like something in their room, but nothing probably downstairs. But I also got the brown one as well. So again, you can easily put these in like baskets, or you can have it like spread out like on a table as like a tablescape decor type of piece. You can even maybe put these like as a centerpiece in like a plate or something. You can get really creative with these. So I did pick these up. And 5 for $1 is not bad at all either, and they're a pretty decent like size. So very excited about that one. And then I also picked up some pumpkins as well. I thought this was so cute. It's actually like a glass pumpkin, so it's not the styrofoam kind. You guys know Dollar Tree have the styrofoam pumpkins, and then they also have the glass pumpkins. So I did get the glass one, and again, I just think the color on this is so cute, and I cannot wait to like actually just play with it. But I did get this color. Then I also got this like orange color, and then it has like a leaf right here on the front. I think is so pretty. So I did pick this one up, and I pretty much just got like one of each because I already have like other pumpkins in the, like from the past, and if I feel like I want to get another one, I can always go back and get some more, but I just kind of got one for now. Then I got this like off-white color, and it has a green leaf on it. Again, it's so pretty, something that's different. And yeah, so I did pick up these 3, and I'm not sure how I want to use it yet, but I just kind of got it because I can definitely put it to use somewhere in my house, whether it's the kitchen, the dining room table, the bathroom, my office, like just wherever it will be utilized some way, somehow. And then I found these, y'all, this is so cute. So I found this sign that said "Friends Gather Here." Y'all, I think this is the cutest thing ever. You do have a piece on the back in case you want to like hang it up, but I'll probably have it like propped up like maybe in the kitchen somewhere. But I just think this is so cute, and for $1 I was just like, girl, like I need this. So I did get this one. And then I also got this one that says "Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice." And again, I just think this is so cute to use like in the kitchen. You can hang it on like your door. You can hang it up. Like I just think it's really cute, and I was just like, Dollar Tree, like y'all are stepping y'all game up. Like this is really cute. Like I can see this at like Michael's or like Hobby Lobby, but for $1 I definitely had to get it. They had other kinds, but those two pretty much like spoke to me and like what I like as far as like the decor pieces. So I did pick that up. All right, and then I found these 2 signs. These are pretty much like the same thing, but it just says "Welcome Friends," and it's going to be like a wooden pumpkin. It already has a stand that it pretty much stands on, and I thought it was really cute just to kind of like place somewhere. So I might place this on my living room TV stand. Again, I'm not sure yet, you guys. Like when I actually start placing stuff, I can kind of get an idea as far as like where I want it to go. But I just thought it was cute, so I went ahead and got 2 just to be on the safe side. And again, you could use it pretty much wherever. So I did get that. And then I don't know if you guys watch like one of my like old vlogs. I pretty much showed you guys the marble plate that I got. And I told you guys I only got 2 of these marble plates, the plastic kind. So you know how they tend to have like the actual glass pieces and they have like the plastic one. So it's going to be like your plastic one, which I don't mind. So I already had this already, but I got the bowls as well. So my Dollar Tree did not have the bowl. So I had to get this at another Dollar Tree, but again, they do have the marble bowls. So I only picked up 2 since I only had 2 of the actual plates. And this is for me, it's not for like the family to use. So I only got 2 because clearly Ricky is not going to eat out of this marble bowl, you know what I'm saying? So I only got 2 of these just for me, myself, and I. And then they also had the actual mug. Now the mug is going to be your actual like glass piece, so it does look kind of different compared to the actual bowl. It's not as like bright and white. The mug looks more like an off-white, whereas the plastic one is more of like a true white. So keep that in mind. And to add to like my marble trend, I also got the actual towels. This one says Believe. Thought it was really cute. And then this one says Imagine on it. And then this one says Inspire. So again, my Dollar Tree did not have it. My sister-in-law, her Dollar Tree, they had like the my sister-in-law, her Dollar Tree, they had the mug, they had the bowl, and they had these. So I just pretty much had her like pick it up for me because I could not find this in any of my Dollar Trees in my area. So you might have to either buy it online or have somebody try to find it for you. So I did get that to complete like my marble collection. And I also picked up the actual marble like cookingware. So I'm not gonna actually cook with it. It's more like a decoration piece on my counter. So I just have it where you have like the marble part like sticking up. So I just picked up the slotted spoon, which is just like the hole in it. And again, you do have the marble handle top. This one is going to be the solid spoon. So just again, the solid one. Same thing with the marble top. And then they also had the ladle. So I did get the ladle, marble top, really cute. And I picked up the slotted turner and just the regular one. So again, one has the hole and one doesn't. And then I also picked up the spatula as well. And again, you do have that cute marble top. And I have been seeing these like online as far as like Bed Bath & Beyond. Other places have it, but they have it for like $25. And I was like, girl, like I just want it for decoration pieces, and I'm not gonna pay $25 for something to just sit there on my countertop and not be used. So I was happy to get all of those for $1 because I truly have like my own like things like this to cook with. I just wanted it more so just to kind of like see the handle, and that's pretty much it. So I'd rather pay $1 than $25. I even seen some for like $70, and no, I'm not doing that. So I think that's pretty much all of my Dollar Tree purchases. I do have one makeup item that I was kind of like, okay, let me just kind of see how you work. So I did find by LA Colors, it's going to be their bronzer. It says Gorgeous Bronze Glow, and I have it in the color called Bronze Beauty. So here is what the bronzer look like. Now clearly you guys know, like I know, I'm going to use it more so for like a highlighter perspective, because I love like the bronzy kind of highlighters against my skin complexion. I love like the actual like gold, not the yellow gold, but the true gold. Like those to me work better for my skin complexion. So when I seen this one, I was like, this could be a really pretty like promising bronze highlighter for me, because it's definitely like the color scheme that I would typically go for. So I did pick this up as well. And I think that's pretty much all of like my Dollar Tree finds that I have found lately. When I went, they actually like they had like their Christmas stuff like already out on the shelves, and I was like, damn, like y'all just put up fall and then y'all just put out Halloween, and then now we already have like Christmas coming out. Like it's only September, so they're pretty much trying to like, they're trying to get their things out. So I am definitely here for it. But yes, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you shop at a Dollar Tree. What did you find that maybe my Dollar Tree may not have? I would love to know. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.